Hello everyone. So once again, I made some videos today about we had a washing machine died yesterday. My wife, when I got up yesterday morning, my wife said that the washing machine was making a really bad noise. So I went ahead and tested it and found out that the transmission in it, there was a sheared shaft in it or something. The thing was 15 plus years old, so we nursed it along for many years, but now it's kind of died out. The video that we have here is just a real quick video of us taking the washer out, loading it up in the truck, going and getting a new one. Not so much down at the store, but when we brought it back, unloading and getting it hooked up. Some of the video was kind of off here and there because I was trying to set the camera around the laundry room, but this is just kind of a thing that I want to start doing. Is just the life and times of things that happen in life generally. So um, today I had plans to do other things in the yard, maybe around the house, but we ended up doing um, the washing machine instead. So other than that, just enjoy the video. It's probably done a lot to music, and if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe down below. And if you like what the video is, give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate it.
There it is, everyone. The washing machine is now in. I wish I had a little bit more audio through it as we were going through. There was some stuff that I was explaining when we were trying to connect, disconnect, just for general purposes or let people know how we did it. But we didn't get that, so we just more did it to music. But just remember that if you want to know a little bit about everything and be an expert in nothing, or you just generally want to just see some stuff get done, then this is the channel for you. Thank you. See you next time.